Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to generate round edge bar chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two parts. The first one is dimensions, and the second one is measure. I'll pick up the sales from here and drop it into the columns. Then I'll pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the rows. Now I'll create the zero axis line. So click here and you will get the blank tab. In that, write down sum 0, enter. And you can see the zero axis has been generated. You can activate from here entire view. Drag this aggregate sum and drop it here. Now from here, click line chart and you will get line chart. If you feel that there are too many variables, make it standard to reduce the number of variables which are displayed here. Now pick up this measure name and drop it onto the path. Yeah, onto the path. Drop it onto the path. Now click on the size. Increase the size. Make it entire view. Now click on this text and the figures will be displayed here. Now if I want to include another dimension, I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it into the columns. And now round edge bar chart will have 3 round edge bar charts. You can see here. So this is how you can generate round edge bar chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.